For centuries, art restorers have relied on the technique of scraping through the layers of a painting to uncover its history. Today, they can use multispectral scans to see the underlying sketches, the stroke order, even alterations and signs of age. Wet paint is a touch interface on a large screen that brings the tactile and cognitive benefits of scraping with one's hands to the digital domain. Here we show how scraping can help to peer through particular parts of one layer into the next. Users can scrape through any number of layers without losing context. They can choose arbitrary layers to compare. We believe that scraping has benefits that could be applied to a variety of domains, where it is important to find the relationships between different layers of an image. In a user study, we compared different ways of looking at multi-layered images. We asked 14 people to look at a city map and a map of the subway lines beneath, and tell us which lines are under a specific path. When the images were side by side, it was nearly impossible to know their precise relationship. When the images were overlaid in half transparency, the color and resolution determined their accuracy. When users were able to fade between the layers, they were more accurate, but they had to fade in and out while using both hands to keep a visual marker of where to look. When they were able to scrape the specific area we asked for, they provided accurate answers in almost half the time while using only one hand. We concluded that scraping is beneficial for comparing specific parts of different layers of an image because it was possible to compare while simultaneously creating a trace of the area being investigated. Scraping through images could also be useful in other domains. In design, it can be useful to find the relationships between different parts of a three-dimensional object, as in this two-sided circuit board. In medicine, it can be useful to compare different kinds of images, or images of the same thing over time. Wet paint was inspired by art restoration, and we hope that it can benefit learning from images in a variety of other contexts.